you all are doing fine at your home. Today we are going to start our new topic, which is Bode-Mass. So first of all, one thing is there. Let's suppose we are having a question over there in which we are having 3 to 4 operations together. Means हमारे पास अगर एक क्वेश्चन हो जिसके अंदर हमारे पास एडिशन भी हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी हो और डिवीजन भी हो, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, किस तरह से हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. लेट्स सपोज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर, 56 plus 32 minus 24 multiplied by 6. Fine. If let's suppose if I am just using or I am having that too many operations over there, but I just suppose that I will do addition first, then subtraction, then multiplication. पहले मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, अपनी मर्जी से कर रहा हूँ, सही है ना. सो क्या कर रहा हूँ, पहले मैंने एडिशन कर लिया 56 plus 2. फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन वी नीड अ rough column as well. Rough column. 56 plus 32. 56 plus 32. How much it will become? 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So 88 minus 24 multiplied by 6. Now I will minus it. 88 minus 24. 84. 8 minus 4, 4 will be remaining. 8 minus 2, 6 will be remaining. So 64 multiplied by 6. Now 64 multiplied by 6. What you will do? 6 4s are 24. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2, 37. 38. So how much it will become? 384. In this question, first of all I have done the addition, then subtraction, then multiplication. Let's suppose if I just do the multiplication first, so let's see what answer will come. अगर मैं एडिशन किया मैंने, फिर सब्ट्रैक्शन किया, यानी लाइन से मैंने सॉल्व करना शुरू कर दिया. बट अगर मैं क्या करूं, मैंने उस तरफ से करना शुरू करूं, यानी अगर मैं पहले मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना शुरू कर दूं, ये पहले मैं सब्ट्रैक्शन करना शुरू करूं, तो क्या आंसर आएगा मेरे पास. सेम क्वेश्चन वी विल यूज. Same thing is there. Fine. 56 plus 32 minus 24 multiplied by 6. Fine. Same we are having the question. Now I am just solving it. But I am just doing the multiplication first. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मल्टीप्लिकेशन को पहले कर दे रहा हूँ. So 24 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 12 13 14. 144 means 56 plus 32 minus 144. If I now just add the things, 56 plus 32, how much it will become? 6 plus 2, 8, and 5 plus 3, again 8. We have done over there as well. So 88 minus 144. So can I subtract this? No. If I just subtract this as well, so what I will get? I will get a negative number. What I will get? 144 minus 88. So how much I am getting? I cannot subtract, so I will take the borrow. It will become 13. 3. 14 minus 8. 6 will be remaining. Now it will take borrow from here. 13 minus 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 56 is the answer. But minus 56. Look, if I am just changing the operation or way of doing the answer, we are getting the different answers over there. पहले मैंने क्या किया था, I have done the addition, subtraction, then multiplication. In this question, I have done multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So I am getting a different answer. Every time when we are using a different steps of doing these kind of question, we will get the different answers. अगर हम अपनी मर्जी से जब चाहेंगे कि एडिशन कर लेंगे, जब चाहेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लेंगे, जब चाहेंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लेंगे, तो इस तरह से हमारा क्या होगा, आंसर कभी भी सेम नहीं आएगा. सो फॉर दैट रीजन वी हैव जस्ट इन्वेंटेड अ रूल ओवर देयर विच इज कॉल्ड द Bode-Mass. Bode-Mass. So let's know that how we can solve the question with the Bode-Mass. Always remember that whenever we are using the Bode-Mass rule, we will get the exact answer and same answer will come every time. Fine. That's why we have invented the Bode-Mass rule. हमें क्या था कि हमेशा जब भी हम सॉल्व करते थे जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे ऑपरेशंस होते थे, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो क्या करते थे, कोई क्या प्लस या पहले कर लेता था, कोई माइनस बाद में करता था। सो इस तरह से क्या होता था, सबके डिफरेंट आंसर आते थे। तो उस चीज़ को बचाने के लिए हमने क्या यूज़ किया, बोर्डेमास रूल को यूज़ किया। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द बोर्डेमास फॉर गेटिंग अ परफेक्ट आंसर एंड आंसर सेम आंसर एट एवरी टाइम। सो व्हाट इज अ बोर्डेमास? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट ओवर देयर? B. B stand for bracket. Fine. Then the second one is O. O stand for off. Then come D. What will be the D stand for? Good. Division. Division. Now then M. M stand for multiplication. Then A means addition. Then S means subtraction. Fine. So whenever we are solving any kind of question in which some of these or all these operations are present, so what rule you will follow or which sequence you will follow? First of all, you need to solve the bracket. Whatever things are there inside the bracket, you have to solve it. Fine. जो भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर चीज़ें लिखी हुई होंगी वो क्या करेंगे, आप सॉल्व करेंगे। एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, जो भी चीज़ है, whatever is there. So first of all, you have to do that inner part. Fine. Then come to the off. Off means simply multiplication. Multiplication. But whenever the off is written over there, that off you have to do. Fine. आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन जहाँ लगा होगा वो वाली टर्म नहीं करनी। अगर ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करने के बाद आपने वो टर्म करनी है जहाँ पे आपको क्या नज़र आएगा, ऑफ लिखा हुआ नज़र आएगा। फाइन। ऑफ जहाँ लिखा होगा आप उस वाली टर्म को करेंगे। ऑफ का बेसिकली मतलब क्या होता है? ऑफ का मतलब बेसिकली क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपने उन दोनों नंबर्स को। फाइन। आई विल लेटर ऑन शो यू दैट हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एज वेल। नाउ कम टू द थर्ड वन। आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द ऑफ टर्म यू नीड टू सॉल्व द डिवीजन। जो भी डिवीजन का पार्ट होगा वो आप क्या कर लेंगे, सॉल्व कर लेंगे। आफ्टर सॉल्विंग द डिवीजन व्हाट यू हैव द मल्टीप्लिकेशन। जो भी वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाली टर्म होगी आप उसको क्या करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे। आफ्टर सॉल्विंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू नीड टू कम ऑन द एडिशन। उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, आप किस पे आ जाएंगे, एडिशन वाली टर्म पे। एंड इन द लास्ट व्हाट विल कम, सब्ट्रैक्शन। व्हाट विल कम, सब्ट्रैक्शन। एंड इवन इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट एज वेल सेम रूल विल अप्लाई। ब्रैकेट के अंदर भी यही रूल अप्लाई होगा। इसी सीक्वेंस से चलेंगे हम। फाइन। इज दैट क्लियर? बोर्डेमास मीन्स B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Fine. Now come to the next thing. First of all, what is the rule over there? Boardemas. Is there any bracket over there? No. So what is the next thing? Off. Off means wherever the off is written over there, we have to solve that term. Means first of all we have to solve this term. Fine. And off means multiply. Means 23 multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. That means how much it will be? It will be 46. So the remaining part will be remain same. 72 minus 46 plus 6 plus 52 divided by 4. Now according to this rule, what is the next term? Next term is division. So where you can see the division over there, we have the division over here. So now we have to divide 52 divided by 4. So how I can divide? I have to divide, make a hat over there, 52 divided by 4. Okay, 4 ones are 4 minus how much will be remaining? 5 minus 4, 1 will be remaining. Now you have to bring 2 down over here. 4 3s are 12. Means how much will be the answer? 13. The remaining part will become down as same. मीन्स जो पार्ट हम सिर्फ सॉल्व करेंगे हम उसका आंसर चेंज करके लिखते जाएंगे, बाकी जो पार्ट होगा हमारा सेम नंबर सेम साइन के साथ नीचे कन्वर्ट होता जाएगा. 72 minus 46 plus 6 plus how much it will be? 13. Now what you will do? You will do addition now. First of all I am doing addition. It's up to you. अब डिवीजन के बाद क्या है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यहाँ पे कोई मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन नजर आ रहा है आपको? नो. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एडिशन इज देयर. सो वी हैव 2 डिवीजन एडिशन ओवर देयर, ओवर हेयर एज वेल एंड ओवर हेयर एज वेल. यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास एडिशन है और यहाँ पे भी. सो इट्स अप टू यू कि हम कौन सी वाली एडिशन पहले करें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और यू कैन जस्ट कंबाइनली ऐड ऑल दीज टुगेदर. फाइन. एक सिंगल स्टेप में क्या करेंगे, आप इन तीनों को भी क्या कर सकते हैं? ऐड अप कर लेते हैं. मैंने तीनों को क्या कर लेता हूँ? एक साथ ऐड कर लेता हूँ. 46 13 प्लस 6. सो 3 प्लस 6 9 9 9 प्लस 6 15. 4 प्लस 1 5 5 प्लस 1 6. So how much it will become? It will become 65. So 72 minus 65. Now what I have to do? Last thing is there, subtraction. Only subtraction is remaining over here. So 72 minus 65. So I cannot subtract 5 from 2. I am taking the borrow. So 12 minus 5, how much will be remaining? 7 will be remaining. And 6 minus 6, 0. That's mean what is the answer? 0. You can say 7 is our answer. Fine. We use the Bode-Mas because always we need a same and similar answer. If we not use the Bode-Mas rule, so every time and every person gets a different answer. Fine. So that's why we need the Bode-Mas rule. Always remember that whenever you are doing any kind of question regarding which different operations are involving over there, किसी भी तरह का क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं जिसके अंदर इस तरह के ऑपरेशंस यूज हो रहे हैं बहुत सारे एक साथ, सो हमेशा याद रखें आपने कौन से रूल के साथ करना है? Bode-Mas के रूल. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट गेट द आंसर. फाइन. So what is the first rule over there? First of all, what we have to solve? We have to solve the bracket. Wherever the brackets are there, जहाँ पे भी brackets हैं, तो हमने सबसे पहले brackets के अंदर वाली चीज़ों को क्या करना है? Solve करना है. So what we are having over there? Here we are having the bracket, and here we are having a bracket. So in the first step, what we will solve? We will solve whatever things are there inside the bracket. Fine. So what is there? 121 minus 37. So 121 minus 37. So I am taking the borrow. It will become 1 and it will become 11. 11 minus 7. How much will be remaining? 4 will be remaining. Then I will take the borrow from 1. It will become 0 and 11. 11 minus 3. How much will be remaining? 11 minus 3. How much will be remaining? Yes, 7 and 8. 8 will be remaining. So 84. All the remaining things will remain same. As I told that whatever operation we are doing, just we have to change or write the answer of that one. Remaining part will be remain same with the same sign. सिर्फ जो पार्ट हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं उसका आंसर लिखेंगे, बाकी जो पार्ट होगा वो क्या होगा? सेम एज इट इज आएगा. सेम ओवर देयर. नाउ माइनस what is the 58 multiplied by 9? Answer of 58 multiplied by 9. 9 8s are 72 and 9 5s are 45. 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52. So how much it will become? 52. So what is the answer of 58 multiplied by 9? 522 minus 411. Now after the bracket, what we have to solve? We have to solve that term which is having off. Where you can see the off is over here. Means we have to just solve this term. Now, what is the mean of the of? Of means simply multiplication. So, remaining part will remain same, and we have to multiply 233 with 4. 233 multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So what answer is coming? 932. So 932, as I told you, only the thing or operation we are just doing, only that answer will come on the next step, and the remaining thing will be same. Now minus 522 minus 411. I am repeating the things again and again because that all the things should be get in your mind perfectly. Now after of, what operation we have to do? We have to do the division. So where you can see the division? Over here. Means 84 divided by 14. So 84 divided by 14. I am multiplying 14 with 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 5. 56 is coming. It is also small. 14 multiplied by, okay, I am multiplying with the 6. 6 4s are 24. 6 1s are 6. 7 8 means 14 6s are 84 minus 0 0. So what answer is coming over there? 6, and the remaining part will be same. 932 minus 522 minus 411. Now after division, what operation we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. Any multiplication term is there? No. If there is any multiplication term, so we have to solve that first, then we have to move on. But now there is no multiplication, so we will move on to the addition. So where is the addition over here? Over here. 6 plus 932. So we will just simply add it. 932 plus 6, what it will become? 938. Fine. Minus 522 minus 411. Fine. So first of all, I am just subtracting 522 minus 411. It's up to you that which one you will subtract first. Fine. आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, चाहे तो आप 932 को 522 से माइनस कर लें पहले, या फिर 411 को पहले किससे माइनस कर लें? 522 से. राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट डूइंग 522 माइनस 411. 522 minus 411. So how much will be remaining? 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. 5 minus 4, how much will be remaining? 1. 111. So 938 minus 111. Now simply what you have to do? You have to subtract 938 with 111. 938 minus 111. Fine. 8 minus 1, 7 will be remaining. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. Fine. So how much it will be remaining? 827. Fine. Always whenever you are using a Bodmas and same question you will do, so same answer you will get, because just use of the Bodmas we always get the same answer. That's why we are using the Bodmas rule. Now I am just giving you the little assignment with this video. You have to complete that. Fine. Meet you the next week inshallah. Allah Hafiz.